Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator. It's been a while since I've fished with my partner. Today we are going to be out on the water at Witbank Dam, sort of get a bit of a feel for our end of the month comp that's coming up for the FLW, and try have a little bit of fun. Like I say, it's been a while since we've been on the boat together, so do a bit of catching up, and hopefully bring you a good video with some good catches. So yeah, I'll see you on the water. Enjoy. Go. That was a good bite, a good take there. As I turned around to look at you, boom. Yo! Holy shit! Yes! Whoa! He smacked me hard, bro. Holy shit! Oh my word! Yeah! Fuck! Ah, yes, he hit me hard, bro. This is big.
2.2.
What? Did you see that? Holy sh! He hit me hard, John, like proper. Fuck, I shit myself. Hey, that's a beauty.
Scale is underneath console.
Wow. Guys, look at that. That's alright. It's a good fish. Yo, did you see that? It swam from over there all the way. I love those stripes, bro. That's what I wanted to see with the drone. Oh, that was so cool. It's like when you go ocean fishing and those GTs and stuff attack. Yeah, it's like that. But I think there was more than one going for it there. Because the one that wake that it did, it looked big.
Oh, oh, almost a double up.
It's on the zoom froggy. The only one I had in my box.
It's just the guy.
Oh, and he's off. I felt a bit better. I just want to get in there.
Like a wine, dude.
Small surfing. Oh, I love it. Yes. They're acrobatic. Yeah, no, shut up. No, still awesome. Oh yeah, it is maybe 800 or so. Heavy, eh?
Oh, this is
On the frog again. Itties secret baits. The frog is amazing. So much fun. Boom. Boom. Decent fish. Yes, that V that it made as the boat was coming. Yeah. Another good fish. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Woo. Hey guys, look at that. Oh, Jean just got missed. The frog's buggered and he still went for it. So guys, the day has come to an end. Myself and John had a awesome, brilliant little day out. We caught a couple of big fish, and then lots of average fish. And what worked for us today was topwater. We caught with a few other things, but mainly topwater, and it was on the Itties secret baits. One of their frogs that they've got. I can't exactly remember the name. You say that it's a
junior frog.
A junior frog or something, but I'll link it below. Super awesome baits. The bass were loving it. They were just taking those baits left, right and center. So yeah, we had a good day. We had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this. And yeah, probably catch you guys on the next one. Anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.